The new Gemini image generator just blew up the internet. It can edit images like Photoshop. You just upload a picture and ask the model to do something with it. Super cool. This week, Google also opened full access to deep research in Gemini and made it free. You don't even need a subscription. It's like having your own personal PhD researcher in your pocket. OpenAI dropped new tools for building AI agents. Now anyone can create their own agent using OpenAI, like their operator. It can search the web, look through files on your computer, or even manage tasks by itself. Plus, OpenAI is teasing its new model. Altman shared an example of response from it, and it looks seriously impressive. But DeepSeek success is bothering OpenAI, obviously. Altman is now asking Trump to ban Chinese AI models, not just in the United States, but in all Tier 1 countries. DeepSeek is doing so well that they are not even accepting investor money anymore. The Chinese government and companies are actively integrating DeepSeek into their workflows, and the company has become such a national priority that key employees were asked to hand over their passports and are banned from leaving the country. Another Chinese startup, Manas, the one that made waves last week, just revealed all the juicy details about what's under the hood. Turns out it's running on Sonnet 3 Plus version with a 29 tools, no multi-agent system, and it uses browser use to search the web. But here's the funniest part. Someone asked Manas to create an open source version of itself, and they actually did it. It's called Anas, a fully functional agent framework built by AI. The project is up on GitHub and it actually works. Meanwhile, Apple is kinda lagging behind in the AI race, but they have promised to add real-time translation for foreign languages to AirPods later this year. Sounds pretty cool, but let's see how it turns out.